Akiaria mwena wa gicua-ini kaunti-ini ya Mombasa hindi ya kigomano kiria kirathie na mbere kia maminista thirikari cia matura, Baraza ugite mihango ya kaunti yerekeire gukwama angikorwo thirikari ndigwika mituki gutuma kigina kiu. Baraza ni athiete na mbere kuga muingi niguo kugirikana kunyamarika makiria wona motungata mabata ta urigitani na mishara ya aruti wira yaga kurihika. Na kiaria ciigie ngucanio iria irathie na mbere gatagati ga thirikari nene na kanju ya mangabana iguru rigie ugai wa kigina kiria thirikari cia matura ciagirire kugairwo, Baraza atetirithitie kaunti ni igumeirwo ni unyihu wa kigina ukiringithanio na tabarira iria iri kuo.
County governments, we want the disbursement to be as per the constitution. We'll have a pending matter on the vertical share of revenue between the national government and the counties for the next financial year.
Kigomano giki kirehete hamwe maminista a thirikari cia matura aria marathomithio mitaratara iria magirwo ni guthingata mari wira-ini wao. Kiumia kihituku kanju ya magavana ni ari na giikaro na mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto wetha wiguano wa mbeca iria ciagire kugairwo county no matiageire na wiguano.
The bottom-up economic transformation agenda must focus on the counties, because counties are actually at the pyramid, the low pyramid of devolution is the counties. So for the president and his government to achieve a bottom-up economic transformation agenda, the focus must be on the counties.
Kanju ya magavana irendekithia kugairwo ciringi bilioni 425 nayo thirikari irauga no ihotire kuriha ciringi bilioni 345 guku nayo kamiti ya ugai wa kigina CRA ikiendekithia thirikari cia county igairwo ciringi bilioni 405.
Getting the confidence of
Andu-ini Kakamega TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.